Hey there YouTube, welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, we tried doing the Mikey Premium plug and play remote start on the 2016 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, and we had a little bit of an issue. So essentially it wouldn't stay running. Now the nice thing is that if you contact their support, man are they helpful. So within a couple hours I had an email saying, sorry, you contacted us on like off hours or, weekends, which this is Sunday. So I mean, at least they're operating. And basically they wanted to see what the dip switches look like on it and to adjust it this particular way. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall mine. And the dip switches are a little bit backwards from what their instructions show. All it is essentially reversing the red ones. So 1 and 3, which are currently up, and 2 and 4, which are currently down, will be reversed so that 1 and 3 are down and 2 and 4 are up. And again, this is for the hybrid. So on the black one, that one still stays down. And now to reinstall everything. Luckily, this goes pretty quick, and having installed it once, I'm hoping it goes just as easy. The biggest thing is that if you can kind of pre-bend the direction the harness goes in, so if you know, hey, this one needs to lean a little bit this way, you can kind of pre-bend it. That way it's already kind of got a memory of to go left or right. Let's see if the auto lock and unlock kind of works. Yep, so it sounds like it unlocked for me. And we'll fire her up. So it's pretty hot inside here now. So it's warmed up a good bit today. So it's up to 79 now as opposed to being the 60s. There the engine's running. I'm gonna shut it off. The AC is set to max low. So I'm gonna give this a shot, see what happens. I'd almost think that with the dip switches in the other way, if that engine fired up right away, that we'd had the remote start work. So there the door just locked itself. I'm gonna go ahead and it's trying. I got 2 beeps. I don't know if I remember 2 beeps before, but I can hear a fan running up here. Oh, I think we might be in business. So looks like it's an EV mode. It's got the little car forward and back stuff, which means that you can move forward and back. The AC's on, blowing low. So I think we got it. Hopefully. Now I'm just gonna babysit this a little bit to see if that engine's gonna fire up. So I've got the key a ways away. And I just want to make sure that the engine still fires and that it doesn't just sit in EV mode the whole time. And there we go. So engine's just started up. EV mode turned off. So pretty happy with that. That remote starts up and running. Make a nice birthday present. So walking up with the key, still locked. We'll hit unlock. AC's blowing away. Then press down on the pedal. Looks like everything else came up, so radio's up, clock's up. Put it in reverse. Yep, looks like we had a good key takeover. And forward again. And then shut her down. Awesome. So step out of the car. Now let's see how auto lock goes and as I walk away. And there it automatically locked itself. So pretty sweet. That's working now. I'm happy. I was really worried there for a little bit, but looks like we're all good to go. So if you wind up ordering something from MyKeyPremium.com and it doesn't act up quite right, I would definitely recommend contacting support because, man, those guys are awesome. Super quick. So, I mean, ran into the problem Sunday morning, got it fixed Sunday afternoon. So, pretty happy with this. I wouldn't necessarily change your settings to match my settings because who knows, this might have been something where, you know, maybe dip switches are the other way around. So I wouldn't copy me. I would do whatever they have for instructions, follow their instructions, see if it works. If it doesn't work, don't think, hey, you know, I'm stuck now or something like that. Go ahead and contact support. They're awesome. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll check you next time.